Hi, my name's Christian Raymond, and this is my capstone achievement video for the project Meditation Trek. Jumping in, first off, did the video player achievement because the whole project's video based, and so used really, let's see, 7 or 8 different videos for different scenes for the project. Also did the empathy achievement. The project is framed as a series of meditations that are really an experimental narrative film. The You move through a state of calm. It's a whole emotional journey. Calm to a sense of wonder and fear to literally a sense of peace is the idea through this experience. And so it's a whole emotional journey. The next achievement was the scale achievement. So I used this good old, my new Views camera, which was fun and a lot to use and learn how to use. I used that to get a sense of scale up against rocks and or near rocks and tree stumps and things like that to scale, and as well as in Unity. Did the animation achievement. There's a scene where I use a swirling animation to represent a mystical portal that the viewers look at, which is in the third meditation. Also did the physics achievement, and so that is I bounced some particles off a plane back into a character's face to create a mystical effect. And so let's see, that's so it's scale, animation, physics, video player, empathy. So that's the fundamentals. That's 500 points. Also did the completeness section. So I did alternate storyline achievement, and this one, of course, it's an experimental narrative, so lots of different paths you can take throughout the video. So different footpaths that you can take within each videos, and even finding hidden scenes within the different scene meditations, which was really a lot of fun to do, and it's one of my favorite parts of the project. So alternate story path did that. Also did the gamification one, and this one is interesting because the whole project mirrors sort of the spiritual development idea of, you do this, you get to here. You do this, you get to here. And so at each point, you're encouraged to get these spiritual, do these meditations towards this reward at the end, which is this spiritual statement that you get is different depending on what program you do. A tester called it a metaphysical game, which is about right. Also did the digital UI achievement, and so like I mentioned, I have different foot paths that go down different trails that you click on and go to different scenes, and also do have a mini menu which I actually got rid of, but after user testing people liked it, and so it's really non-intrusive, so I kept it in for here, but could easily not be in there. Which leads to the challenge, which I did the user testing for, actually, not 2. And so here are some of the comments. One person said, shocking. Another said, interesting idea. Surprising how it made me think and feel. Another loved the nature setting. And one of the comments was about the motion of the hiking. So I ended up reshooting one of the hiking scenes because of the movement, which worked out a lot better after I reshot it, and also shot another scene that was to make it longer. And another person liked how it, they imagined how it could be expandable. I adjusted some of the audio based on some of the levels, so did quite a bit of revision based on the user testing. So lastly, I created my own extra credit challenge, which whether it counts for that or not is fine, but I wanted to show you. And I'm really interested in making sure, whether it's film, TV, VR, gaming, podcasting, mixed reality, that on the digital page, we're telling a good story that can be read before we iterate and work on the project. And so I created a new script, not code, but screenplay VR script format that includes the entire story and allows for different branching. So go to this path, and it takes you to another scene, and it includes all the description. And then again, you can go to another scene completely just through clicking in interactive fashion, and it incorporates the entire script in one digital file.